Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we'll be talking about the new VexIQ game called Rise Above, how to earn the most points, and just general tips to do better in this year's game. To start off, let's look at robot skills. So as you can see, the highlighted yellow parts are where the robots will start. So each robot, or not each robot, where the robot will start, you can pick one of them, let's just say here. So you start off and you have to score the most points by yourself in 1 minute. So in skills field, it's a lot simpler with each riser being on each side. So it's pretty obvious that you would want the turquoise ones to go here, the purple ones to go here, and the orange ones to go over here. So let's say you start on this side, you'll want to start stacking these, and the robot you want to make has to be able to lift 2 risers on top of one, like be able to lift 2, these are risers, and then set them down onto a third one, or be able to lift 1 on top of 2, that's the ideal one, like this. So this one will go on top onto these. So if you can do that, you'll be able to score the most points, and there's a huge difference between getting that and not, because if you get 3 on top of each other here, here, and here, then that combines to a total of, I believe, 96 points or something around there. Each completed stack, which is 3 on top of each other, that's also in a completed row, which is a row with at least 3 same colored ones in a single row. So if you have 9 turquoise ones all stacked up, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, then those are 3 completed stacks all in a completed row. That'll give you the most points. If you only have 2, 2, and 2, that'll only give you like 9 points. So it's a big difference, and if you want to do good, you have to be able to get 3 on top of each other. The best type of design I would suggest to use, and I'm currently trying to build, but I don't really know the best way to make one, is a double reverse 4-bar. So basically, this has the little box, like with your wheels and stuff. And then you have like an arm right here. And basically, it will be able to extend like this, and then have another thing here, and then extend higher. It's kind of like a spring, and it can go as high as you want if it's strong enough. Like it can just do that. But the reason why this is good is because it starts off very contract. Like if you move all of these down, it will end up looking like this, kind of like that, just all hunched down into this box. But then it can extend super high. So this is basically perfect because in this game we have unlimited extension, meaning we can go as high as we need to, but we have to start in the starting position. So this meets both of them and can extend really high. So if you figure out the hang of how to make a double reverse 4-bar, then you will be able to do pretty well, assuming that you practice enough. I plan on making a robot reveal video soon, so if you guys need help with the double reverse 4-bar, you can just wait until I upload that, probably next week or a little bit later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, stay tuned.